Ever feel like the crypto universe is constantly expanding, with new galaxies of digital assets emerging all the time? Have you heard whispers of a network aiming to be the Internet of Blockchains, a project called Cosmos? And are you wondering how you can actually get your hands on some of its native Atom tokens using a reputable exchange like Gemini? Well, you've landed in the right corner of the cosmos. In this video, we're going to take you on a step-by-step journey, showing you exactly how to trade Cosmos, Atom, on the Gemini platform. Whether you're a seasoned crypto explorer or just taking your first tentative steps into this fascinating world, we'll break down the process into easy-to-understand segments. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of buying and selling, let's briefly touch upon why Cosmos has been generating so much buzz. Imagine a world where different blockchains, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others, could communicate and transact seamlessly. That's the vision behind Cosmos. It's not a blockchain itself in the traditional sense, but rather a network of independent, customizable blockchains called zones, all connected by a central hub known as the Cosmos Hub. This interconnectedness aims to solve some of the major challenges facing the blockchain space, such as scalability and interoperability. The Atom token plays a crucial role within this ecosystem, acting as the native staking and governance token of the Cosmos Hub. Holding Atom allows you to participate in securing the network and have a say in its future direction. Now, with a foundational understanding of what Cosmos is all about, let's get practical. Gemini is a popular and regulated cryptocurrency exchange known for its security measures and user-friendly interface. It provides a reliable platform for buying, selling, and storing various digital assets, including Cosmos. So, how do you actually trade Atom on Gemini? Here's a comprehensive guide. Step 1. Setting up your Gemini account, if you haven't already. If you're already a Gemini user, feel free to skip ahead to the next step. But for those who are new to the platform, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. Head over to the Gemini website or download their mobile app. You'll be guided through a straightforward registration process that typically involves providing your email address, creating a strong password, and agreeing to their terms of service. Once you've initially registered, you'll need to complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This is a standard regulatory requirement for most cryptocurrency exchanges to ensure the security and integrity of the platform. KYC usually involves providing personal information such as your full name, date of birth, residential address, and uploading a valid form of identification, like a driver's license or passport. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and provide accurate information. The verification process might take a little time, so be patient. You'll receive an email notification once your account is verified. Step 2. Funding your Gemini account. Before you can trade Cosmos, you'll need to have funds in your Gemini account. Gemini offers several options for depositing fiat currency, like USD, Euro, etc., depending on your location. Common methods include bank transfers, debit card deposits, and wire transfers. To deposit funds, navigate to the Deposit section of your Gemini account. This is usually found in your account settings or within the Wallet/Portfolio section. Select your preferred deposit method and follow the instructions provided. For bank transfers, you'll typically receive Gemini's bank details, which you'll need to enter into your bank's online portal or visit a physical branch. Debit card deposits are usually faster but may come with certain limits and fees. Be sure to check the fees associated with each deposit method on Gemini's website or app. Once you've initiated the deposit, it may take some time for the funds to appear in your Gemini account, depending on the method you chose. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while debit card deposits are often processed more quickly. Keep an eye on your account balance to confirm that the funds have arrived. Step 3. Finding the Cosmos trading pair. With funds now in your account, you're ready to find the Cosmos trading pair. Gemini typically lists cryptocurrencies against major fiat currencies like USD. You'll be looking for the Atom/USD trading pair. There are usually a couple of ways to find this. You can either browse the list of available assets on the exchange or use the search bar. Look for Cosmos or its ticker symbol Atom. Once you find it, Click on the ATOM/USD pair. This will take you to the dedicated trading page for Cosmos against the US dollar. You'll likely see a price chart displaying the historical price action of ATOM, along with the current bid and ask prices, and the order book. Step 4. Placing your buy order. Now comes the exciting part, actually buying Cosmos. On the ATOM/USD trading page, you'll find a section for placing buy and sell orders. Make sure you're on the Buy tab. You'll typically have a few different order types to choose from. Market order. This is the simplest type of order. When you place a market order, you're instructing the exchange to buy ATOM at the best available current price. This order type is executed almost instantly, but you have less control over the exact price you pay. Limit order. A limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay for each ATOM token. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches or falls below your specified limit price. This gives you more control, but there's no guarantee your order will be filled if the market doesn't reach your price. Stop limit order. This is a more advanced order type that combines features of both stop and limit orders. You set a stop price and a limit price. When the market price reaches your stop price, a limit order is activated at your specified limit price. This can be useful for managing risk. For beginners, market orders are often the easiest way to get started. Simply enter the amount of USD you want to spend or the amount of ATOM you want to buy. Gemini will then calculate the approximate amount of ATOM you'll receive based on the current market price, plus any applicable fees, which will usually be displayed. If you choose a limit order, you'll need to enter the price per ATOM you're willing to pay and the quantity of ATOM you want to buy. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct and then click the Buy button. Step 5. Placing your sell order. When you decide it's time to sell your Cosmos, the process is quite similar to buying. Navigate back to the ATOM/USD trading page on Gemini and this time, select the Sell tab. Again, you'll have the option to choose between market, limit, and stop limit orders. If you want to sell your ATOM immediately at the best available current price, choose a market order and enter the amount of ATOM you wish to sell. If you have a specific price in mind at which you want to sell, use a limit order. Enter the price per ATOM you want to receive and the quantity of ATOM you want to sell. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches or exceeds your specified limit price. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.